Hello, everyone. It is May 14th or 15th, 2023. Here in the heart of Old Town Bath. I'm feeling extra adventurous tonight. So, what I'd like to do is take you over to the new Washington Terrace apartments that's being constructed. And it's not much longer until they're completely done with that project. Wow. It's like totally flooded over here. I was looking for a block of wood to throw in there, give you perspective. So we are entering through the back of the building. Just want to check out the progress, see what it looks like before they do all the final touches. All right, we are at the second floor. This must be one of the elevator shafts. And that's where that pool of water is, down there. Let's take a look up. And it goes way up there. So I think it's 4 stories. And it goes way, way down there. So what I'd like to do is go to the very top of the building and check out the views, and then we'll go from there. And every floor looks the same, of course. It's really cool to see and experience the sort of evolution of a project this size. Kind of get to see it before you can see it, in its entirety. Ooh, very nice view. Just right over here is Bruno's. You have the Bath Place department just right over here. I think we're on the 3rd story now. Yeah, this is cool. I do believe this project is set for completion early next year, 2024. At this rate, yeah, they'll be done before you know it. Wow, we are getting pretty far up there. Quick peek down the elevator shaft. And it's right about there. So, we are at the very top. Let's go check out the views. First, I do want to see what the average unit's going to look like. So, I'm guessing this here would be the average unit. You would be going down this corridor, and there would be a door here. You walk in, living area, dining, maybe a bedroom or a bathroom over here. There's a wash unit, bath and shower unit. Pretty cool. And I see they've already got the windows installed here on the upper floors. Hi, hello. All right. Patent-free library is just up this way here. We may be able to see it from outside the window here. Oh yeah. Interesting. Okay. A little bit of a rooftop patio area. I'm not quite sure what this is going to turn out to be, but I'd like to go out and check it out, but it's kind of boarded up. Oh, okay, there's another flight of stairs that brings you back down the ground level from here. That's pretty neat. Yeah, let's go down to the roof. Check it out. Check out those views. Okay, here we are. Oh, this is so cool. There you go. There's a look down at the ground level. I can hear some running water, but I'm not quite sure where that is. Coming from down there behind that tree. Oh, you know what? It's the fountain for the patent-free library. They just reinstalled the, well, not reinstalled, but they just got the fountain working again. Reminds me a lot of the fountain in Old Town Eureka, the gazebo area. So it's like almost seasonal when that thing's operating. But that's the library right over there, patent-free library. Way over there by the water's edge is the Kennebec Tavern. Yeah, some great views. There's the street below. Yeah, this is awesome. And if we look, let me pan right here and zoom in a little bit more, and we can kind of see the gazebo for the library right over there. Yeah, overall some pretty stunning views. Very cool. Yeah, this is awesome. I don't think it wraps around, but it looks like they stuffed all their insulation and various materials right into this space here. This here is the Moses Block building. It's a historical building. People do live in those apartments right over there. And you can see the bridge that leads into Woolwich and Wiscasset right over there. Pretty neat perspective. You can kind of see Bruno's. Oh, there's BIW right there, one of their cranes. Let's zoom back out. Yeah, some great perspective. This is a big deal for the small town of Bath here in Maine, and very, very big project. A lot of time and money and effort has gone into it, and I think it's gonna make a big impact here in Bath. I think it's gonna make a good difference. More housing here in a beautiful part of Maine. Yeah, it just doesn't get much better than that. Let's go back in and explore a little bit more. Okay, I just want to see a couple more of these rooms. I'm sure they're all different, vary in size and whatnot. But yeah, they look to be about like 1 to 2, maybe even some that have 3 bedrooms pretty neat. So anybody living in these buildings, in these apartments, is gonna have it pretty good, especially with the views on the fourth and third floor. It's pretty great. A little jealous, to be honest. Okay, so, okay. Well, we got a little bit of an idea of what it's going to look like. I do want to see what the views look like from this side, though. Facing like northwest. And there's one of the tractors down there. So I know it's hard to see right now because it's night, but during the daytime, there's, they're working away up here, and I don't want to go investigate during the daytime, but I think here at night it's perfect. So let's go down a couple flights of stairs and see what the other floors look like. I'm sure they all look like this. Oh, the rivals, a classic rivalry. Yeah, every floor is pretty much a cookie cutter of the one before. They all look alike. And there's your prime plumbing right there. Very cool. It's so neat to see the sort of the workings of the behind the scenes of a project like this. Now, what is this? Is this a studio? It's just like one big room, and there's no doors or windows or anything like that. I'm intrigued. Maybe it's like a utility room or something like that. Okay, I do believe we are at the second or third floor. Yeah, this is really cool. Very unique perspective. All right, down we go. And this leads us right outside. We are on street level once again. So cool. Hi, neighbor. And there's the library right ahead there. Got all their piping laid out. Good job, guys. They're doing a great job here. It's going to look amazing. A few days ago, I did a video from the bridge of Old Town Bath. Just wanted to get some classic Old Town Bath views. And you could see the building from way off in the distance. I mean, it's a tall building. You can see it from a mile away. It's pretty incredible. Pretty much in the heart of the project on the second floor. Very, very neat. To be able to see something so grand in its infancy, to me, is quite a unique and rewarding experience. Very neat. I do want to check out the windows real quick. Yeah, these are really nice. Probably double pane. Yeah, I mean, they're very stout. Good quality. Yeah, I mean, these are some nice windows. And they got those locks there. Yeah, perfect for the winter. Yeah, I mean, you won't even have to winterize a place like this. Pretty neat. I think we have one more flight of stairs to head down, and then we'll be pretty much done with this little tour. But here is another stall, a shower bath unit. Well, I think it's just, well, okay, yeah, shower and bathtub unit. Yeah, very standard. Very cool, either way. And there's a look back onto the street level. Way down there. Yeah, so we're up at like the second story. Very cool. And we were way up there on the 5th story. How funny. Just a gaping hole in this stuff. This like sort of clothy material. I don't know what that is. Some kind of lining. Alright, let's head out. It's like a little secret space back here. That's awesome. This is something I would expect to see like in an old Victorian house. These were like little cross spaces underneath the staircase. It's pretty cool. Anyways, yeah, here's that, the water at the very bottom of that, see how deep that is. Oh my god, it's so deep. Yeah, I can't even reach the bottom of that. That's wild. There's a snow shovel right there. Anyways, yeah, I just wanted to give all of you an idea of what it looks like inside during the construction of this milestone of a project. So cool to actually see the guts of it and be inside and get kind of an idea of how it's going to look here before too long. A lot of landscaping project work to be done. They're going to develop all of this, of course. There's the Moses Block building right over here. Very neat. Alrighty, well, that's my little tour of the modern Washington Terrace Project. Wow, look at all of those windows. That is insane. That is just on one side, and that's not even the entirety of it either. Pretty neat. Well, if I'm still here in Maine, which I probably will be by the time it's done, I'll be sure to give you an update, hopefully during the daytime. Awesome. Thanks for joining me, everybody. I will see you all later.